Again, in simple methods of calculating index number, we have discussed there are two types of the methods for calculating simple index number. One is simple index number and second one is chain based index number. In simple index number, we have divided into two methods, that is simple aggregative method and simple average price method is over there. For all two methods we have done a one questions for understanding that matter. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate chain based index number is over there. As far as the simple index number is concerned, we are having one base year price, and on behalf of one base year price, we construct the index number for the whole year. But in chain based index number, there is a difference between the simple index number. In chain based year, we use that formula. Chain based index number is price of the current year divided by the price of previous year multiplied by 100. It means the base year, every year the base year will be changed. For 2019, the price of 2018 will be treated as a base year, but for the 2020, not price of 2018, we will use 2019 price is as a base year. So there is a major difference between the chain based index number and simple index number. In simple index number, either we are having a fixed year which we treated as a base year, like suppose in this, if we are to construct a simple index number, then if we have taken 2018 as a base year, so for every index number or every calculation of relative, we have to use this price of 2018. But in chain index number, every year the base price will be changed. For 2022, the price of 2021 will be the base year. For 2021, the price of 2020 will be the base year. So this is called chain based index number. It means each index number is related with the previous one price. So this method is called chain based index number. For getting the index, this is the formula for relative chain based index. For getting the chain based index, we will use the formula. First when the link relative. This was the formula for link relative, as I will say you. Now chain based index number is previous year chain index multiply current year chain index divided by 100. For getting chain based index number, firstly, for getting the relatives of the chain based index number, what we will do, suppose this, for this we have to 6 divided by 4 multiplied by 100 for getting the link relative, 8 divided by 6 multiplied by 100 for this link relative. So in chain based index number, every year the base will be changed. And how to calculate the chain based index number? Firstly, we will calculate the relatives for the each and every year, then addition of the link relatives, and lastly chain based index number, that is previous year chain based index number multiplied by the current year chain based index number divided by 100. So how we will use this? I am having a question to solve this, to learn how to use the chain based index method. We are having calculate the chain based index number based to, it means starting is 2018. We are having price of 3 commodity A, commodity B and commodity C is given. In commodity A, the price in 2018 is 4 rupees, in 2019 6 rupees, then increases to 8 rupees, 10 rupees and 12 rupees. Commodity B price in 2018 it was 16, then it increases to 20, 24, 30 and 36. And commodity C price is also increasing. It start from 8 rupees, then 10 rupees, then 16 rupees, then 20 rupees and then 24 rupees. So the base year we have to start from 100. 2018, it means the base year price we will treat it as 100. So how to calculate chain based index number? We will learn chain based index number. chain base index number. Here we will taking year 2018 price index, relative index, 2019 price relative index, 2020 price relative index, and 2021 and 2022 same price and relative index, price and relative index. So the very first we will having commodity A, commodity B and commodity C, price relative index. So in first year price is 4 rupees, price is 16 rupees and price is 8. So for getting base year we will keep both are 100. Okay. Now for getting 2019, for save the place we are having link price and link relative. So 2019 price link relative, 2020 price link relative, 2021 price link relative, and last one 2022 price link relative. Okay. So the very first I am feeding the price of each. So in 2019 price is 6, 20 and 10. 6, B price is 20, C price is 10. 8, 24, 16. So 8, 24 and 16. 10, 30, 20. 10, 30, 20. 12, 36, 24. 12, 36 and 24. So very first I have fitted the price of all items which is given in our question. This is given in our question, so no problem at all. Now how to calculate chain base index? It's very important. For chain base, link relative is current year price divided by previous year price multiply by 100. For that 6 divided by 4 multiply by 100. So that will be 150. Is it okay? Now for 8 divided by previous, 8 is current year price, previous year is 6, multiply by 100. So 8 divided by 6, that is 133.33. For next year, 10 divided by 8 multiply by 100. 10 divided by previous year price, that is chain base index. Not basic taking base for 4 for each. For 6 the base is 4, for 8 the base is 6, for 10 the base is 8. So 10 divided by 8, that is 125. And last 12 divided by 10 multiplied by 100, that is 120. So first link relative we have calculated. Similarly here 16 we are assume as 100. So this 20 for second 20 divided by 16, 20 divided by 16 multiply by 100. So first is 20 divided by 16 multiply by 100, that is 125. Then next one 124 divided by 20 multiply by 100. So 24 divided by 20 multiply by 100, that is 120. Now 30 divided by 24 multiply by 100. This is chain base index. So 125. And last one 36. 125. 36 divided by 30 multiply by 100. So 120. Similarly for third, 8 is treated as 100. So first one will be, maybe you know how to calculate. So I am not writing here. 10 divided by 8 multiply by 100. 10 divided by 8 multiply by 100, that is 125. 16 divided by 10 multiply by 100, that is 160. 20 divided by 16. 20 divided by 16 multiply by 100. That is 125. And 24 divided by 20 multiply by 100. That is 120. So with the help of this, the very first we will calculate the link relative of all. Okay. For index number, we have the formula chain base index number. That is index number of previous year multiply index number of current year divided by 100. So the very first we will getting the index number of each. Then we will use this formula. Okay. So the index number, aggregate index number. So the index number total we will calculate. Aggregate of index number, this, for getting this and this. So this is 300, 100, 100, 100, 300. Index number total. Second one is 250 plus 150, that is 400. Third one 280 plus 133.3, 413.3, 413.3. Addition of this 375 and addition of this 360. Okay. So the index number, this is 100, 300 divided by this 100, 400 divided by 3, getting the average of this. Four 413.3 divided by 3, 137.77, 137.77. 375 divided by 3, that is 125, and this will be 120. Now index number. So we have calculated this average of this. Okay. Now index number. First one is 100. Second one is 100 previous year 100 multiply current year 133.3 divided by 100. So it will be 133.3. Next, previous year 133.3, current year 137.77 divided by 100. $183.64. This will be index of this year 183.7. Next, previous year 183.7 multiply 125 divided by 100. 183.7 multiply 125. We can write 7 or 0.6, no problem. You do not get confused. 183.6 multiply 125 divided by 100. That is 183.6 multiply 125 divided by 100. 229.5. And last one, 229.5 multiply 120 by 100. So multiply by 1.2. 275.4. 275.4. So in this manner, we can calculate the chain base index number is over there. So in this question, the very first, to get the link relatives of the chain base index number, the very first we will divide 6 divided by 4 multiply by 100, then 8 divided by 6 multiply by 100, then 10 divided by 8 multiply by 100, then 12 divided by 10 multiply by 100. Againly 20 divided by 16 multiply by 100, 24 divided by 20 multiply by 100, 30 divided by 24 multiply by 100, 36 divided by 30 multiply by 100. Similarly, firstly we will get the link relatives of this. Then adding the link relative, this addition, this is addition of 3, this is addition of 3, and getting divided by 3 we are having average link relatives. Now chain base index number, that is the formula for that is index number of the previous year multiplied by the index number of the current year divided by 100. So first is 100, the previous is 100, current year is 133.3 divided by 100, we got this. Now previous year 133.3, current year this divided by 100. Now previous year this, current year 125 divided by 100, then previous year, current year divided. So this is chain. Each and every index related to the this base depending, this base coming here, this base coming here, this base coming here. So this type of the index number is called chain index number, because each and every index number is related to with the previous one index number. So I think this video will be helpful for you to calculate how to calculate chain base index number if in examinations you are getting such kind of the question. With the help of this video, you may be able to solve any kind of the question which is related to the chain base index number. So I think this video will be helpful for you to know how to calculate chain base index number. Thank you.